Do you wear your knee pads?
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys are cool guys.
Yeah. There they are. I'm surprised Giselle's not crying. She said she was going to be crying. Oh, she is crying. Hi, guys. Did you have a good day?
I have you. Go, go to him. There you go. And now when you let go of this one, as soon as you let go of this one, swing and grab that one. Ready? Go.
Desiree.
You ready? Go, go. Go, one. Go, 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 go. Let go. As soon as you let go. Mama. You're not going nowhere, dude. Put it back.
Dada's got you.
See? Just like that. Let go of this one, and you run forward.
He's going to pull you.
Let go. Let go. Let go of the monkey bars.
Desiree, look at Mama. What are you doing? Come on, walk this way. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Vader.
Look.
Can you do it or no?
Uh-oh. You're okay. Stand up.
Mama. Hi. Mama, I forgot my... There's no way he can escape. Pull up first. There's no way Vader can escape. Mama, no! Don't make me fall.
You're going the wrong way.
This way.
I think
Go
so.
back inside, guys.
Hey, come here. Come here.
Want to swing? Show Mommy.
Here, grab it. Yeah, and grab it up here.
Will she fall forward or backwards?
Both ways.
Probably, yeah.
Ready?
Ready? Look at Mama.
Mama.
Yay!
There you go. Yeah.
Oh.
Big swing.
Whoa.
Look at her. She's doing it herself.
She's strong to be holding her body.
You like that? You ready to get down?
That was your
Can you get
last
down?
year of being
No?
outside
Okay.
for recess.
Oh, you
Yep.
Oh, you're all done?
Yeah, she's
I know.
tired.
Good job,
Alright, come on, guys.
Mamas.
Let's head back in. Liam, yourself.
Vader, come on.
Vader's exhausted now.
Yeah, come on. Come here. Let's go, Mama. Come on, baby.
You guys ready? Hmm?
Take mine.
Feet on the ground.
You're good at that.
Come on, just...
Liam.
That's what we're going to try and teach the other ones to do.
Ooh.
I didn't know you could go straight right there.
I'm not. Desiree, where'd you go? What are you doing? Let her do it. Go in there. Go see Liam.
Lord,
Desiree, where you at? Hi. Oh, my hair looks crazy. You can hear the dog in the background. He is over there licking his water bowl. He likes to get every drop. But I decided that I'm going to make some, what do you call them? Chocolate chip cookies with some protein oats and the Kodiak buttermilk pancake mix. Just last minute, just a quick snack-ish and a sweet treat. But here is what I will need. I'm going to double the recipe. I'm doubling the recipe, so I'm going to follow. Shh. I'm going to follow, baby. I'm going to follow this chocolate chip cookie part recipe right here, and I'm going to double it. So here's all the ingredients I'll need. I just sat everything out because this was a last minute decision. I need to soften. Look, say hi, Desiree. The butter needs to soften, so I'm going to leave it out for about an hour. It's about 7:15 at night, so it's a little late, I know, but it'll be a nice snack for my husband tomorrow with his lunch. So I set the eggs out and I set the butter out to get those room temperature and softened, and then I'll get started on them. Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Ready? Yeah. And they're having fun playing in a tent. We got some of the tents from my daycare that I had at that last house. We got them out of storage, so we brought them here because I thought Desiree would enjoy them. I think they came out pretty good. I'm gonna let them cool for about 5 minutes on the cookie sheet. I have about half of it left. I'm gonna bake those ones up. If I were you, I mean, just depending on what size cookies you want, this is the ice cream scooper that I have. I guess I have a pretty big one because they came out pretty massive, but I don't know. I think that's a good, decent sized cookie. Kind of like the Chick-fil-A ones.